As the never-ending Lalit Modi row continues to snowball, superstar and KKR owner Shah Rukh Khan has spoken out with controversies surrounding Lalit Modi and IPL coming to the fore. The Bollywood superstar has said that cricket is the most watched sport and should be saved. But however, he also warned that controversies should not take anything away from cricket. Speaking about his equation with Salman, SRK reiterated that despite all the news in the media about their rivalry, they've always been friends.
Shah Rukh, earlier you mentioned that you caught Boria's interview with Lalit. What about Rajdeep's interview with Lalit Modi? Did you have a chance to catch that as well?
No, there's too many interviews of Lalit to watch in a day. No, I didn't see that. I was shooting in Bulgaria at that time. No, I didn't see it. But because you would like a comment on it, so I will do. The whole idea is that at this point in time, so much being talked about, and of course, everybody on television is very happy. They've got a lot of interviews and stuff. But having not seen this thing too closely, but being related to sports in a certain way, as an outsider point of view, like most of us are, without touching upon and saying this should be done, that should be done, I think somewhere we should all think of it that we should save the sport of cricket, and not look down upon the business of cricket or the non-business of cricket, because it's a platform for other sports to build on, and it's very good for youngsters. So cricket being the most popular sport, I just hope all this controversy and things should not take away the focus from the goodness of cricket, and that's what everyone should concentrate on. Media, authorities of cricket, people related to cricket, and audience like us, that we'd like to see good cricket. It should be fun cricket.
Shah, you said for outsiders like you, but you're not an outsider, you're an insider. You're one of the first IPL owners to own an overseas team.
I'm not at all an insider, not at all. Just because I produce a film, I don't own the Indian film industry. Similarly, just because I own a team, I don't own the cricket of this country. I'm just an outsider completely. I am an outsider. I'm an audience who watches the sport, and yes, there is a business part of a company which does all this. But when I'm talking about insiders, I'm talking about all the companies, the committees, the commissions, all the authorities, who run the cricket in this country. And it's not just what we hear on television. They run down to the grassroots level in the smallest of towns, where little kids are brought in, and their coaches who are 70 years old, like amazing people like Mr. Achrekar, who've got Sachin Tendulkar to be Sachin Tendulkar. And there are people like that all over the country, getting little kids and helping them. I've seen that part now because of my involvement in Kolkata, which I didn't realize. So these things are very good for sports. Hopefully happens in football, happens in hockey, and it should be encouraged. And I think cricket is, we have to accept the fact that it's the most watched sport, and use that as a platform for other sports. Lead the way instead of kind of getting it murky and spoiled.
Thank you, Shah Rukh.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.